Good evening, traders. I'm Nalakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel. All of you are familiar with my 5-minute instant trend strategy, which is helpful for option trading, which will be only for 1 hour strategy. Within 1 hour, we are going to book profits and come out of the trade. We are not going to sit throughout the day. And so I have talked about in all my videos. I'm going to attach my playlist intraday strategy in the description. Please go through that and do not ask questions again and again, because some people, they come in between and they see the video and they start asking questions. It becomes very difficult for me to explain. Actually, based on the angles only, I have structured my strategy so that it is working very well, because price moves with time. If you see here, price is moving with the time. So I have adapted the Gann principle with the angles like that. If the degree angles, if there's change, it will show the direction in the market. Based on that, what I used to do is, first thing is taking the 5 minutes high and low and dividing it into half, equilibrium, noticing the equilibrium point. And I told you people to use the protractor for the angles. Suppose if it starts moving above 180 degree, even 5 degree move. In the protractor, you can see even the 5 degree move is if it starts moving above that, it is a trend. So we can comfortably enter early in the market and we can make profits. So to use the protractor, many people were not able to understand the protractor. And also one person, Srinivas from Mr. Srinivas from Texas, he made an indicator. For the calculations I have made 66% of the 90 degree and 26.1% of the 90 degree, how it is calculated. That also I made in a video. You can go to the playlist and you can see that. In how it is calculated, again I am going to repeat it. By taking the closing price, we are square rooting it, and we are multiplying with either 66.66 or 26.1, and then whatever the value we get it, we are taking the percentage of it, and we are either adding and subtracting if it is at 26.11 level. So if we add and subtract, we are getting the support and resistance levels based on the angles, 90 degree angles. That is very, very important. They are not random things. They are not subjective. They are practical. Even for 66.61 percentage, the same calculations, we are, suppose if the price starts moving above 66.6 level, that it indicates the momentum in the market. That is a breakout, momentous breakout in the market. 26.11 is also, if it starts moving above that, market will show trend in the market, or if it starts falling below, there will be a trend in the market. So for that, let me show it to you. And the indicator, you need not calculate, break your head. If you go to the, if you type in Srinivas, level 1 and 2 degrees, and in between the 26.1, yes, made a median level, green color. Let me apply this and show it to you. Let me apply the indicator. Srinivas, level 1 and 2 degrees. If I apply, you are getting these levels. Red color one is 26.11 and blue color is 23.503. And on the upper side also, this is the median level. You are seeing these levels. Let me take out all the drawings. Okay, you have got the levels, and the problem with the levels is you are not able to make out where it is going. That is also, as the price moves, the degree will also move. So how to note it, how to go with the trend? So I thought even the moving protractor after the breakout, people were finding difficult because they were not able to imagine and how the degree will move. So to solve their problem, what I did, you can apply this and there will be levels for you, boundary levels for you, because these levels are calculated based on the previous day closing price. That is not for the action of the today's action. Then becomes the difficult. In between trade, how will you trade? For that, I found a solution. For me, it is very easy to use the protractor. I can see the thing and I can trade. And I understood the trader's problem. They were not able to do trade properly. For that, let me remove this indicator. What I did is, I thought something innovative. I took the Keltner channel and I configured for, you can configure for 0.66. Let me remove this. And 0.661, and even you can apply for 0.26. One more Keltner channel you can apply. Keltner channel. So I'm going to show you how to do that. See, I have applied this. Then I'll go. See, here it has been already, I have configured this. Inputs, if you go to the inputs, this is 20 is the middle line. And the normal thing will be 1 multiplier will be there. I've added, changed this value to my degree, 0.261. There also you can change it to 0.66. And ATR length is 10. I am not going to change anything because ATR, it will go back to the 10 candles back and it will give you ATR value. So I selected ATR, this Keltner channel, because this is average, based on the average range, it is calculating the levels and it is plotting. So you can see the inner band of the Keltner channel, 0.261, and the outer band is 0.66. So they are moving along with your price, guiding you. You will not be lost. So when price starts moving below this, you can apply for the, see, once you see there is a weakness in the market, what you can do is, you can apply this for the put option. Let us option, and when it starts breaking below, you can take the take the put option, because it is coming below the Keltner channel, 0.66. When it breaks below 0.66, that is a momentous breakout. If it is breaking below 0.26, already it has started its weakness. And you can see correspondingly, it is below the 0 degree. 0 degree. So this was very difficult for the traders to visualize the things and trade properly. So for this, I brought this. You can also apply. This is the solution for your trade. And whenever the price comes and hits this, there was a rejection, but you need to be careful. The 5-minute strategy is only for 1 hour. We are going to finish it off within 1 hour. So by 9:45 it finished, and also it continued up to 10 o'clock. And by 10, you are going to finish it off. See, around 9:45, it started a vigorous pullback to the 0.26, 0.26, the Keltner channel. When it is hitting that and it is making a higher low, that probably their market may reverse. It was giving a reversal sign. you could have entered for call option also. Let me go to the put option and apply and show it to you. What was the level? Let me, 1 minute. The level when it opened around 23,607, then you need to go for 23,600 put option. 23,600 put option. Okay. Where I am? 28. See here, you can see it was so huge down move. Here it came around 197, around 5, and then it started moving. If you would have caught this move around 280, oh, it has gone to, sorry. It has gone to next month, 23,000. That's why I was wondering why those prices. 600 put option, you can see normal behavior here. See, when the price started moving above all the, see, it started closing above. You don't need a protractor if you, to eliminate that for you people, to make it simple. I'm not able to put the protractor over here. Yeah, I can put the protractor over here. If I put the protractor over here, see, it has started from 0 degree, it has started. These are all 26.1 and these are all 60 degree. When price started moving above this, let me place the protractor in the middle of the candle. See the movement. Immediately you could have taken the trade. It was around 133. Your stop loss, clearly, I'll zoom it out. Let me take out the protractor. If I zoom it out, you can see stop loss. When it comes and hits this level and hold this level, it is, you can enter into the trade and the stop loss will be lower Keltner channel. That is 0.66 Keltner channel boundary, 0.66 lower bound. Lower, it is upper one, and this is 0.26 upper and lower, and this is the middle 20. So when it started, if you would have entered around here, confidently, you can hold the position. When it starts moving away from the Keltner channel, there will be levels also. From the previous day, levels will be there. That you can take it as a guidelines, or otherwise you can take my, whatever I used to tell you, 3 cycles of move. If you apply this, you have to see all the videos, whatever I have done. Otherwise, you are not going to understand. So in this way, you can find the target. You are getting the target. The target is fixed, 163. And Keltner channel, nothing, no price is coming towards the Keltner channel. You can hold the position comfortably. When it goes to this level, you are going to book profits. See, for example, you have entered around 127 or 130, the 130 to 190, within how many candles you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Within 20 minutes, you are booking how much percentage? You can see the percentage of move. From here, the percentage of move, text, let me make it, okay, let me make it, it's not showing the writing text. Okay. Yeah, I'll bring it over here. You can see 82%, from 62 to 70% you have made in the market. So to solve all your problems, you can use the Keltner channel. Apart from, let me hide this and bring in the Srinivas indicator, which I will be calculated based on this same principle, but using the previous day closing price. Level 1 and level 2 degrees, you can apply. They are guidelines for you. See, you can see from the previous day, this is the boundary. This was the support and it was the resistance. And when price hit this level, around this level, it acted as resistance. But in between, to guide you people, you can use, instead of the protractor, you can utilize this, and you have to follow the 5-minute strategy with strict discipline. Okay, that is a must thing. Actually, market was volatile, two-way market today. Again, it gave an opportunity to enter into the put option around 12:50. Again, it gave you that much of money, 204, more than this, from here to here, more than that. And later it was sell off because market recovered. Finally, market has closed in the negative. I think it has closed around, let me go to the indices, Nifty 50. It has closed, and while closing, they have closed around 495. It has gone up to 450. So in this way, you can utilize, now I'm making your trade simple, and this is a, trust me, traders, it is very, very profitable. You can utilize for stocks, stock option, for identifying the stocks also based on this calculation. I've given the screener for you people. You need to go and see that. And even in the stock options, they are very highly profitable. I've shown the 3-day close also, swing trade, how to identify the stocks. Everything I've made in the video. You can go to that video, see again and again, and definitely they are profitable. If I have mentioned about Bajaj Finance and Jubilant Food, okay, let me show it on the Bajaj Finance stocks. Let me type in Bajaj, not Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv. Let me go to the daily time frame so that you will see on your own. It was identified here, 3-day close here. And I had mentioned you can get 10% from there. So if you see there, if I make here, why this not, let me change to dark to the original one so that you can see you have got Bajaj Finserv. From here, you can see on your own 10%. If you would have entered here, based on the calculation that I have made as a change of character, 3 days lower closes, and the current day close is above the all the 3 days close. That was the condition. If you would have selected the stock by the call option, for example, that is 2000 call option, you can see on the date of 21st March, call option on the 21st March. Where it is going? Yeah, 21st March. The price of this call option was 17 rupees. It rallied up to 75 rupees. 75 rupees, traders. From 17 to 75 rupees, it is not a joke. Within 3 to 4 days, comfortably you can hold this. 75 minus 17, $58 into 500, I believe. 500 or 400, I'm sorry. 58, sorry. 58 into 400, 23,200 within 2 to 3 days. And somebody in my comment section, they had mentioned Tata Consumer. It had come in the screener. He had taken that. Tata Consumer. Okay. Consumer product. I don't know which call option you had taken. 1 minute. Let me go to the stock. Tata Consumer Products. He might have taken here. And it has come in the screener. The condition is same. And that is 27th March. Let us go. He was mentioning 2 rupees. I don't know which call option you had taken. Option 1,200. Let us check which one he has taken. He had mentioned in the, not this one. Maybe 1,200, 1,180. Let us check. It was, no, it's not giving way. 24th April, 1,140. I don't know, how did he take this? What is the price of Tata Consumer? He was mentioning that he has taken for 2 rupees. Tata Consumer. Okay, let me go back to the stock. Tata Consumer product. Now it is 1,000 rupees. 960. Probably he might have taken 1,000 rupees, I believe. Tata Consumer. I have to go and check what he has written. Anyway, let me go to 1,000 call option. 10 rupees. Probably he might have taken a little bit more. 1,001, 1,020. Let us check. Yeah, it must be this one. Around 1,020 or 1,040 he might have taken. 1,030, we'll check. 2 rupees he was mentioning. Maybe this one, around 2 or 3 rupees. I don't know which one he had taken. That has given him a lot of money. You can see it has given him from here. Where did he purchase? I don't know. He had mentioned by seeing the screener he had purchased. But not only that, if you go to the, see, you can select not like these stocks. You can select the stocks which are liquid like Reliance or TCS or anything like that. If you select such type of stocks, it will be easy for making money. They are liquid. I don't trade in this type of stocks. I will prefer only stocks with the liquidity like Maruti, Bajaj Finance, and you can go for State Bank of India. So if you get in the screener, applying the Keltner channel, for example, I had taken TCS previously. I'll show it to you. Tata, no, sorry. TCS, Tata Consultation Service. So I had taken 3,700 call option. April month. Now it is back to the same level, 3,700 call option. Okay. I'd taken here, even the drawings, everything is here. I'd taken around 55 here. It gave me, see the thing, 119. From 55, it has given me 119. Same thing, same principle with my 5-minute strategy. I was trailing my stop loss. I held that within 2 days. The same day, I got a very good profit. By the end of the day, 86 it went, and then it raised up to 118. Now it has come back to the same level. If you go back to this is the low made, that is 31 rupees. Sometimes the market will come back to that level, 39. You can keep it in your watch list. Let me go to the stock, TCS, what it is doing. You can keep it in your watch list because after the up move, you can see, let me hide this indicator. You can apply the Keltner channel. Why mentally is not coming? Okay, it has come down. This is 0.66. Let me make it black, even this black, so that you can see the boundary clearly. Let me change this color, median color to red. Okay, now it is coming over here. This will act as support. You need to keenly watch 363582. If I go and see the value 0.66 on the value, you are getting 3873, 3828, 3573, 3673. It's not giving that. 3624, 3572. It's not giving. If you place the cursor, you will get the values. 3579 you are getting. Oh, it is showing 3575.60. So you can track this, keep it in your watch list. Why this stock? Because it has shown trend structure. It has shown like this, made an higher high. If it makes an higher low anywhere in this area, you will have a very good thing, and you can anticipate for nearly from this level 3 levels of rise from here. That is, you can anticipate for 3,900 to 3,800 in this stock. So if you get that, if the market moves like this, you need to carefully watch whether it is going to hold these levels. This is very important. I feel it will hold because of this big bull bar. This is the big bull bar. And the price is retesting this level. You keep in your watch list and keep the 3,700 call option. Let it come to in between 30 to 50. Now, today it has closed around 52, 55. When it comes to the median level around 30 or 40, hold it and see the magic. See the magic, but it has to with the rule based only. It should not fall any below that. You carefully watch the price action. Keep it as an example for your trade. Okay, friends, I have explained you how to take the trade. Even the Keltner channel 0.66 and 0.26 can also be utilized for your day trade, day swing. You can screen it. Let us check any other stock before that. Bullish stock. I don't think there are bullish stocks because market has fallen today. There are few are there. SBI card. Let us go to daily. Why this behavior? Because it had gone up and it has tested this 0.66 level and it has, oh, what a move it is. From 820, today's move, my God, if you would have taken this, 6% move within a single day. So like that, you will get the stocks, and this is the best. You know, whenever it has come, you go back and see. Whenever it came, touch this level, it has taken as a support, 0.66 level. And when it starts breaking below this level, that is an indication it has broken down. You can see over here, it has broken down. When it started climbing over here, it has taken support, and it has climbed up. So like this, you could have, when you see the break of the structure, that means it has to make a higher height. When it makes a higher high, you can wait for the retest of this price to this level. From there, you could, in equity, you could have held this position. So that is around February, it has started its move, I believe. That is January. From January to here, 865, it has run up. As a positional trade, you can take 29% from January, February, March. Within 6 months, you are getting, not even 6 months, 3 months. 3 months, you are getting 29% in this SBI card. I'm not going to explain all these things because it is only my trading strategies for the intraday trading strategy. Even you can utilize for stock options, and even for the index. I have shown you how to take the trade, how you can simplify the trade with the help of, instead of the protractor, I've given you people to use the Keltner channel, converting it into degree. Apart from that, you are applying Srinivas levels. This is not coming. This is for intraday only. Those levels have been configured for intraday and reset. Because so many are there, it is not giving me. Now it can give the levels. Can you see? So beautifully, when it touched this 0.66, it has moved up. And if you enable the 0.261, that is a far off, you can easily catch the trend. You could have held the trend. I held this position without any fail because it is taking support. And these are the major supports. They will act as a major support. When the price is above 857, you need not bother. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I hope this is clear for you and easy for your trade. It is a simple trade based on principle. It is not subjective. It is based on the mathematical calculation. It will not go wrong. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.